Welcome to lecture number 4, part 3 of Data Communications in Computer Networks. In the last part, we saw 7 layers of OSI model, from layer 1 to 7. In this lecture, we will see how these layers play a role from source to destination. After that, in the next part of the lecture, our focus would be to explore each layer in detail. As you can see on the board, I have already mentioned the OSI layers in terms of header and user data. Header will contain information of each layer. So initially, user at the source will create some data. The application layer or layer 7, L7, will add the information, and this is known as the header. This part of the data is then go through the presentation layer. Data plus header is now considered as data, as you can see here. Layer 6 or presentation layer will add its header information and will forward it to the session layer. You can see again that header plus data is data now. Each layer is adding its information with the data, except for layer number 2. It is not only adding its header but also the trailer. Trailer contains frame check sequence that will check if the data that is received at the destination is in its original form or not. Layer 1 will translate the whole data from all the headers and trailers into ones and zeros, and then this data will be transmitted towards the destination. At destination, as you can see, each layer is removing its header and trailer information. Let me put it over here. Layer 2 has removed its header and trailer, and the remaining data will be handed over to layer number 3. Layer number 3 will remove its header and will hand it over to layer number 4. So on and so forth. Eventually, after layer number 7, we will left with the original data. This information is necessary for proper representation of the data at the destination. So this was layer-wise elaboration of how our data moves from the source towards the destination. In the next lecture, as I earlier mentioned, we will focus on each and every layer and its characteristics. Thank you very much for listening.